In our art and craft class today we will do page number 26. Cute cat. This is page number 26 and today we will do this activity. Cute cat paper collage. Tear an old newspaper into small pieces and paste on the body of the cat as shown. We will follow these 3 steps shown here. Okay, so first we will take an old piece of newspaper. This is an old newspaper. Okay, we will tear small pieces like this. Okay, and then we will paste these small pieces on the body of the cat. These are small pieces of newspaper and you will also require Fevistick. So we will take a small piece of paper. Okay, we will take this small piece of newspaper and this way I will apply some Fevistick here and we will stick it here. Okay, stick it nicely like this. We will take another piece of this newspaper and stick it like this. This way you will stick. This way we will paste these small pieces of paper like this. Here also we will paste this piece of paper. Now here on this ear we will stick this paper like this. This way you will paste these small pieces of newspaper. Okay. Now we will stick this piece of paper here. टेल पे लगाएंगे इस तरह से. This way you will stick like this. This way. We will take some more Fevistick here and we will stick this paper here. Wherever you see gap, you will stick the piece of this paper. We will tear a few more papers to stick them. there is some gap here. We will stick this paper here. Here also. There is some gap here. This way you will paste the pieces of newspaper. This way. This is the final look of this activity, Cute Cat. You will complete this activity and send me the pictures. Okay.